Hello student, in the unit of ISO OSI model, today our topic on discussion is transmission medium. As we learned in the first chapter that transmission medium is useful to transmit a data from sender to receiver side. It is the channel through which the data is sent from one side to the another side. Transmission medium is broadly classified into two types, which is guided media and unguided media. Guided media is further classified into three types, which are twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and optical fiber cable. And the unguided media is further classified into three types, which is radio waves, microwaves and infrared. This is nothing but the physical layer. Under that we are learning about the cabling which is used in the computer network for arrangement of computer or preparing of network. In the transmission medium, let's have talk on guided media first, then we discuss on the unguided media. Guided media. Guided media is totally a physical means used to transmit the data. Features of guided media is it is high speed, secure, used for comparatively short distance. Obviously, if we are using a physical cables wires for connection purpose, a signal is passed from that wire, so we have a short distance. Because of one-to-one connection, we have high speed and transmission of data is also more secure. Okay, so guided media is also further divided into three types. First is twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable is consist of two separately insulated conductor wires. They use two wires which are folded with each other and they just bundle those wires and used for connection. Those wires are covered with the protective sheet. If that protective sheet is present, then we call that wire or cable is shielded twisted pair cable. Or if those wire could not have that protective shield, then it is unshielded twisted pair cable. So twisted pair cable is further divided into two types, unshielded twisted pair and shielded twisted pair. Unshielded twisted pair cable has ability to block the interference. Basically, why we use the sheet? Sheet is nothing but the cloth type material which covers those wires, iron wires, for blocking the interference occur while transmitting the signal. And those it has that capacity. Unshielded twisted pair has that capacity or ability to block the interference and does not depend on the physical shield wire. So this is nothing but the unshielded twisted pair. It is most of used in the telephonic wire. As you see, if you have telephone in your house, then you might be see that wire which is nothing but the twisted pair wire. Advantages of unshielded twisted pair is least expensive, easy to install, high speed capacity, sustainable external interference, low and performance and short distance transmission. Actually, it could not have that shape to cover the conductor wires. So because of that, it is less expensive comparatively shielded wire. It's easy to install because it's wire, so you can connect easily, have high capacity of speed is also good, and external interference sustainability is good. Okay, so shielded twisted pair. Shielded twisted pair, as I have told you, that this type of cable consists of special jacket or a sheath present to block the external interference. It is used fast data rate Ethernet basically, or some voice and data channels of telephone line. When we use internet in our home, most of use those wire shielded twisted pair. Or this example of shielded twisted pair wire is your iron istri that is used in your home. The advantages of shielded twisted pair is better performance at a high data rate, eliminates the cost of what do you mean by actual cost of? Cost of is nothing but the when two wires are near to each other, it transfers the data signals and shortcut some crosstalk is happen. Crosstalk means some sparking, sudden sparking is happen due to the transferring of data signal. This transferring of data signal is not happen due to that covered jacket or that shield. Okay, or it is quite because of that jacket, it is quite expensive comparatively unshielded twisted pair cable. The second cable is nothing but the coaxial cable. What is the difference between the coaxial cable and shielded twisted pair, unshielded twisted pair cable? Most and widely used cable in networks are twisted pair cable, which is first cable. Second is coaxial cable. It has outer plastic covering. It has outer plastic covering containing two parallel conductors. Understood? And separate insulator is used to cover over that protective cover. Okay? Coaxial cable transmits information in two modes, baseband mode and broadband mode. Basically, dedicated cable is used for data bandwidth as a bandwidth, and here not actually dedicated data cable is used. Coaxial cable is basically used for cable TVs and television networks, which is used widely in the network. Advantages of coaxial cable is high bandwidth, better noise immunity, then easy to install and expand, inexpensive, it is not so expensive, and disadvantages is single cable failure can disturb the entire network. Obviously, if we are using a wired or cable network or physical network, it is quite shows a problem that if single cable is failed or network is failed. So now we understand what is coaxial cable is. It is a plastic covering core cable with a two parallel conductor. A separate insulated protection cover is also available. Next thing is third type, optical fiber cable. It is used the concept of reflection of light through the cover made up of glass or a plastic. Actually, it is used as a core. Core is surrounded by a less dense glass. Core means the hollow place that covered with the dense glass or a plastic. And light is passed between that core. Understood? And we call that plastic covering is cladding. It is used for transmission of large volume of data basically. The advantages of optical fiber cable is increased capacity, then lightweight, then less signal attenuation. Attenuation is nothing but the distortion. Less signal attenuation. Another advantage is immunity to electromagnetic interference. Less electromagnetic interferences happen while using the optical fiber cables. Disadvantage is difficult to install and maintain. It's quite difficult because it uses glass or it is made up of glass, so it's quite expensive also, and maintenance is also high. Means high cost and fragile. Obviously, due to glass or plastic use, it is quite expensive. So this is nothing but the guided media discussion. The next transmission media is unguided media. Unguided media is referred to as wireless media or unbounded media. Physical media is required for transmission of electromagnetic signals. Okay, but in this, no physical media is required for transmission of electromagnetic signals. The feature of unguided media is signal is broadcasted through the air, less secure, used for large distance. As we discussed a guided media uses only a physical medium. It is wired media. It is more secure because it uses cables and wires. It uses basically for the short distance. So you can complete here your difference also, guided and unguided media. So unguided media is further classified into three types. First is radio waves, second is microwaves, third is infrared waves. First, radio waves. These are easy to generate and can be penetrated through the building. If we want to transmit a signal or sending a data from one building to another building, so we can use radio waves. Okay, we use antennas and the frequency of antennas are 3 kHz to 1 GHz. FM radios, cordless phones uses radio waves transmission, and it is also further classified in terrestrial and satellite. Second is microwaves. It is line of sight transmission. Line of sight means it requires some angle to transmit a data, and the specific medium is used, or antennas are used to transmit the data. The sending and receiving antennas need to be properly aligned with each other. If it is not possible, then data could not be sent properly. The distance covered by the signals is directly proportional to the height of the antennas. Height is also important in microwaves. The frequency range is 1 GHz to 300 GHz, which is much more than the radio waves. Okay, so microwaves is majorly used in the mobile phones and televisions. Okay. Third is infrared. Infrared waves are used for very short distance communication. They cannot penetrate through the obstacles. This prevents interference between the system, and the frequency range of the infrared is 300 GHz to 400 GHz. It is used for TV remote, wireless mouse, keyboard, printer, etc. So now we understand the unguided media and the guided media. So let's conclude today's lecture. So our today's lecture is based on transmission medium. Transmission medium is used to transmit data from sender to receiver side. It has two types. First is guided media, second is unguided media. Guided media is wired media, unguided media is wireless media. Guided media is use a physical links, unguided media could not use a physical links. Guided media use a short distance to communication. Unguided media use a long distance to communication. Guided media furtherly divided into three types, which is twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and optical fiber. Unguided media is further divided into three types: radio waves, microwaves and infrared waves. So let's have discuss a guided media. Guided media is used a physical link to communication. It shows high speed. Twisted pair cable is the first cable which is used in the guided media. Twisted pair cable is further used unshielded and shielded twisted pair. Basically, twisted pair uses a separate insulated conductor wires covered with a sheath or a protective cover or a jacket. If protective cover is present, then we call that wire is shielded twisted pair. If protective cover is not present, there is unshielded twisted pair. Next, second cable is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is outer plastic covering containing two parallel conductors. Separate insulated protection covering is present. It is basically used in cable TVs or television networks. Third is optical fiber cable. It is basically used a concept for reflection of light through the core, and it is that covering of plastic or glass covering known as cladding. Second is unguided media. Unguided media divided into radio waves, which is easy to generate and penetrate building. Range is 3 kHz to 1 GHz. It is used by FM radios and cordless mobile phones. Then microwaves. Microwaves uses a line of sight. Range is 1 GHz to 300 GHz. Majorly used for mobile phones, communication and television distribution. And third is infrared waves. Use short distance communication. Range is 300 GHz to 400 GHz and it is used